This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Maria Cochinu. Welcome home to this expanded Cape/colonial home. Walk right into the beautiful hickory wood living room, offering plenty of natural light from bay window to the double sliding doors that leads to the deck. You will also find a generous size half bathroom on the main floor, along with high-end cabinetry in the spacious kitchen and dining room. Second floor offers 2 bedrooms, oakwood floors, 1 full bathroom, and gorgeous masters with double closets, vaulted ceiling and dedicated laundry space. The deck is the width of the house, with entrance through the kitchen and living space, perfect for entertaining. This house has great curb appeal, features recess lighting throughout, semi-finished basement. It is absolutely move-in ready condition. And top it off, Roselle Park offers train and buses to NYC. It's a commuter's dream. This house is being sold as is condition, with no knowing defects. Newer roof, 2-zoned heat and cooling, shed, beautiful landscaped, vinyl fenced in the backyard, all seated on a charming tree-lined street. More pictures at the end of this week. For more information, review the details below or contact Maria Cochinu at 908-764-4704.